केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
Welcome back to our Kesaria Textile Company, guys. In this video, I'm going to showcasing some of the amazing collections and varieties, in particular cotton, fancy, and guys, let me tell you, please watch the video from start to till the end. Many of your varieties you want to be liked, then please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number, guys. Yeah, I have to say those words. Because of that, you want to be seeing like in my first hand, in my hand, the first concept you're going to be getting like these kind of the variety, guys. See, beautiful, amazing design in pallu, and apart from that, these kind of the beautiful designs. See, guys, on the both the end of the side, you're going to be getting, guys, in these kind of the amazing concept. See, whole you will be get unstitched blouse also, guys. Yeah, whole the talking about the length, you will be get complete length, 6.30 meter length with unstitched blouse. So no need to worry about any of the cuttings or shortings in any of our items. We provide as it is item, guys. Yeah, that's the major benefit to contact our company, guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful pallu designs you're going to be getting. See, guys, beautiful. And apart from that, silver jaried in the camera, it's I don't know that in the camera the silver shining gonna be seen or not, but in this beautiful silver jaried work you're gonna be getting, guys. See, apart from that, you're gonna be getting in these kind of the designs also, guys. See, beautiful, you want to be getting in these kind of the variety. Like, guys, I have to say that all the varieties I'm going to showcasing you, these all are come in the concept of Gadwal. Yeah, in Gadwal, which are highly preferable in the southern region of India, like Tamil Nadu, Kannada, or Kerala, or Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. That kind of the regions are there. They are highly wearing or preferring these kind of the beautiful Gadwal cotton concept, guys. Yeah, and apart from that, these kind of the beautiful designs also they are going to be manufacturing. We are going to be manufacturing, guys. See, and guys, let me tell you, for any of the some of the beautiful occasion, that kind of the concept you're going to be getting, guys, in these kind of the beautiful white linen concept from the golden jaried work also you're going to be getting. See, and Ananya with blouse, next article name you're going to be getting in these kind of the beautiful wear. See, guys, this one of the concept I'm going to opening for you, like you're going to be getting that how it going to be look. See, guys, see, guys, in these kind of the beautiful designs you're going to be getting, guys, with amazing digitalized flowered printed kind of concept you're going to be getting. See, guys, see, beautiful kind of concept you're going to be getting, guys. See, unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting. See, and these kind of the varieties, guys, all you will be get at under manufacturing factory rate, guys. Yeah, I have to mention those words like manufacturing and a concept. Like, see, guys, these kind of the beautiful Gadwal cotton concept you want to be getting. See, see, guys, these kind of the beautiful amazing designs done in the pallu you want to be getting. And apart from that, these kind of the beautiful Kesaria textile sticker you want to be also will be getting. See, guys, in this you want to be getting beautiful designs, and apart from that you want to be getting 6 to 7 different color shades also. Like, let me tell you that these kind of the box packaging and set wise you're going to be getting, guys. Yeah, in this also the barcode system will be there. On that barcode system, what will be the range, what will be the fabric, how many pieces you will be get, that all the details and informations you going to be getting here, guys. Yeah, and apart from that, in these kind of the beautiful Gadwal cotton concept are very highly appreciable. And the next concept, Sonakshi with blouse, you're going to be getting, guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful golden zaried work kind of concept you're going to be getting, guys. And apart from that, many of the beautiful concepts like this variety also you're going to be getting, guys. See, beautiful on this, that kind of the concept you're going to be getting. See, guys, Thapa silk, which are highly preferable in all the regional states of India. See, guys, in these kind of the beautiful concepts are also well manufactured and well fabricized in our particular company. Because talking about in today's textile hub, we are highly leading manufacturing company in Surat, guys. Yeah, there will be not, I have to say many of the companies are there, but in today's in the medium of YouTube, many of the companies are there, they are promoting and portraying themselves as a manufacturer, but they really we don't know that what they are. Many of there are some like the traders, many of there are some like the wholesalers, that, and many of you know that they are some kind of the retailers also. Yeah, guys, because in today's market, we are giving the best range, guys. Yeah, for that purposes, customers, Kesari Textile Company is one of the reputed company in today's textile industry, guys, in Surat. Yeah, all they know that when customer once visit our company, they're gonna be repeated. Yeah, guys, our repeated customers ratio will be high, guys, as compared to the another companies. Yeah, because of that, we are not saying that we giving a best quality, best facility. Yeah, we giving them also, but the repeated customer ratio will be one of the highest advantage for our company, guys. And apart from that, in today's concept, today's time, you have to call the screen available number to get all the details and informations about our company. And apart from that, guys, in today's video, that's all. Please give your precious opinions, reviews or comment feedbacks in our comment section. And you can write to note down that next video in which product you want to be, you wanted to be see, that queries you want to be responded. And apart from that, many of the concept you want to be liked, know me in our comment section, and what will be the next concept, that also you going to be know. So guys, in this video, that's all. Many of your queries will be counted here, I think. And till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, या आपकी दुकान है, या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं, या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप दाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना कर दें। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया। साड़ी कुर्ती